should all look up Justin Bieber frosting.
I know you're taping.
Yeah, now fall. We can put this on that fat person video, no offense.
No, but if you fall, we can just say you're fat. Oh, dude, we can custom fat you. What's his name again? Justin Bieber.
What's his name again?
No. Awesome, what song we listen to?
Oh.
By your man.
No,
Something with an R. It's Sean Kingston.
Go ahead.
It was like Rise.
No. Sean Kingston.
Yeah.
Sean Kingston.
You're a whore.
Hey, what time is it?
Say something on my face.
No. Are you ready for this rap? I can rap for you.
Yeah.
Funny?
Austin, I got you.
I don't care.
Oh, feisty.
What if there was an egg this big? That'd be a really big omelet.
That's what dinosaurs had.
Dinosaurs.
Can I show you the... Look up Dinosaur Whisperer.
You have Mr. P, right? We had to do that like animal thingy search thing. I was like, do you think I could find a velociraptor?
You mean Sean Kingston featuring Justin Bieber?
No.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Eeny meeny? Look up the parody. It's hilarious. And the guy dresses up like Justin Bieber and he's got like a human diaper on.
Going hammer.